Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Amazon Shopping. You will go to settings. In this page you will wait a moment until you find this list. You will click on apps and you will enter. Here in this page you will search about the application of Amazon Shopping and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to